bees. I was busy dreaming about bees. Bees. Bees.
Let's go! Alright, Stingers, I'm just trying to figure out camera angles and all this lovelies. Just bear with me, lovely ones. I know y'all are probably like, what is she doing? Let me just see what that's given me. That's kind of what I was aiming for. Alrighty. Let's put that up here. And I'll get some tuna oil, Stingers, so just bear with me, lovelies. Is it in here? No, it's not. No, I didn't bring it, guys. Oh shit, who was that? Twisted, bless your cotton socks. Oh my, I didn't bring it, guys. I didn't bring it. All right, roll up my sleeves. I got you. I got you. I didn't bring the tuna oil. What a dipshit. All right, we got this. Rolled up my t-shirt sleeves. I got you. Right, there we go, sunshine. Hi, beautiful. Look at that. Let's see those guns. I almost tripped over. I don't have any guns. I kind of do, but not really.
I love your face.
Tristan, I love your face, sunshine. Always and forever, you know this. How do you compete with that? Did you end up having a kiss up? Oh gosh, what happened? I missed something there, Stingers. I might have to have a look in a second. What happened, Hydra? What happened? That was lucky that I didn't throw that out. That would have really spiraled out of control. That was still wrapped. That was a perfect cast. That is exactly where I wanted to go, guys. Now, where's our bells at? Our bells are in here as well, Stingers. I did not forget those today. Not today. Now, where do I want to go so it's not so like, what do you call it? Bright. And I don't want the internet to heat up. I mean, I could probably actually go up here rather. Let's go over here, Stingers. So then it's not heating up. Is that a good view? I don't know. I'm really a bit all over the shop today, guys. I'm sorry. I will get this together. Let me see. Don't want a picture of the bag, do we? That's not really close enough, is it? Y'all will probably want to be closer. I wonder if we can move down a little bit. I don't know, guys. Let's just leave it there for a second. Hey Vince, how are you, sunshine? Bless. I'm sorry, lovely. I was just trying to figure out that camera angle. Bless. We're not on the kayak today, Vince, so I'm trying to figure it out, lovely. And I didn't want the internet to get hot by sitting in the sun. I just realised. So I had to move that around, and I was trying to get that good old camera angle. How are you, Vince? Let me get that bell out. I'm doing really good. I'm doing much better today, Vince. I'm doing much better, bless. But we walked down here today, Vince, so that was an adventure. What the fuck is that? Hugs all around and she's throwing us everywhere. I know. I'm sorry, guys. Y'all will just be like, I'm dizzy. Just stop for a second, Lizzie. Stop. That's a bummer. Sorry to hear that. Is that going to be a problem for you with the holidays coming? Yeah, I'm hoping that he can find something better, Bradokin. I'm all set up for work on Monday though. Bless, I'm doing alright, been better to say the least. Oh well, I'm hoping that it gets better for you, Vince. Bless, considering, and I'm once again I'm so freaking happy for you, lovely one. Honestly, that couldn't have come at a better time. Hey, Bless, Christmas just around the corner. Oh. That was just the wind. That's going to be hard to tell because of the wind, Bless. So, yeah, this could get interesting, guys. Thunderspinner, how are you, Stinger? Yo. Could say that I can't afford to even buy my wife and kids anything. Yeah, that's not fair. See, over here, like, you have to be given a certain amount of hours. And if not, then your boss can get into trouble. Can y'all see me there? Can y'all see me, Stingers? Let me go check this. Enlarged prostate, thank you so much for that follow, lovely, you legend. How are you, Stinger? What the heck is going on?
_mixed_fault rated my stream with 9 viewers.
Welcome, Raiders! Welcome! Bless, I was just over on the other screen. Mixed Fault, you legend! How was your stream? Welcome in, Stingers. Thank you so much for joining us, Sunshine. Thank you so much for picking us to raid, lovely. I'm hoping I'm in camera view, Stingers. Can y'all let me know if I'm on stream? I should probably go and have a look over here. I don't know if I'm in camera angle properly. Hello, you legend. How are ya? Welcome, Raiders. What's up, Thunderspinner? Lizzie, trouble is with that I'm on 0-hour contract with everyone is but the manager. Oh, see, we over here it's minimum hours, lovely. You have to be given a minimum amount. Yeah. That's intense. That's not fair. So at any point they could just be like no hours and you'd have to deal with that. See, over here we have the work ombudsman. Hey, is that Sushi Roll? Hey, beautiful, how are you? Yeah, you're on stream. Okay, lovely. Thank you, lovely one. I was just wondering because I can't see it, and if I go to have a look around on the screen, I can't see it because I'm leaning around. Bliss. Loco, you legend. How are you? Played Layers of Fear and finished it in one sitting. Bless. I almost did that with Little Nightmare Sunshine. I did that, but I did it in 2 sittings. Bless. Did you enjoy it? What did you think of it? Was it what you thought it was? And thank you so much for choosing us to raid, you legend. I really appreciate it. Kids loved it a lot. Ride through twice. Liam wanted to. Kitty told me she got a card today. I'm like, well, phew, lol. Let's go. So she got it. She was telling me that she was going to fix the last bits up for the visa stuff. So I'm glad that she's got it sorted then. Bless. Yeah, she ended up coming back in later yesterday, and she said that she got it all sorted. Yeah, that's all right. Holy shit. Here I was all over the place for a second then, Stingers. Yo. Lynette's doing a 24-hour at the moment, Stingers. Bless her cotton socks. It had its jumping moments. Yeah, I love those games though. Got another boat coming up, guys. Got to keep an ear out for that bell as well. Oh, Christmas card. I thought you were talking about the visa that she had to get sorted out, Sunshine. Bless. I thought you... My bad. Is that the wind? I keep thinking my fishing rod's going, guys, but it's the freaking wind. My bad. Oh, here I am over it. Bless. Saying about the visa, but it's a Christmas card that y'all are talking about. Oh, they've got music going and everything up there, bless them. I'm back to work, Lurk, life on Monday. I'm doing alright. Bless. Are you excited though? I didn't say like, are you excited to get back out there and into the work, or are you a bit like, no, I don't want to. I don't want to adult. 70 minutes left at work, Lo, and not counting Loco, not at all, bless. Good, and you? Haven't seen one here yet. Are you excited? No, I'm not ready, but need to work. Yeah, I understand that, Sunshine. You're like at the moment, just like, no, I don't want to. Gotta keep an eye out because there is a walking trail here, guys. I don't want anyone to like come up and like start nicking off with stuff because I've got my back turned. Not that they probably would, but you know what I mean. Still gotta be careful.